Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use this herbicide step by step. If you like this video, please visit our website for more information. Or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
Weeds are an unsightly blemish in any lawn, but anyone can stop them from sprouting by applying a pre-emergent herbicide like Prodiamine 65 WDG. Prodiamine 65 WDG is a granulated pre-emergent herbicide that will stop a variety of grassy and broadleaf weeds like annua, crabgrass, henbit, and spurge from germinating in your lawn or in ornamental landscapes. Prodiamine 65 WDG is made in the form of water dissolvable granules and must be mixed with water before application. You'll need to mix this product into a sprayer of your choice. For most small applications, we recommend you use either a handheld pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To cover acres of treatment area, you'll need a spray rig. To calculate the amount of product you need to use, measure your treatment area's square footage by multiplying the area's length by its width. The amount of product you'll need will depend on the type of site you're applying to. When applied over lawns, the amount you'll use depends on the lawn's turfgrass species. To prevent weeds in St. Augustine grass, you can apply 0.75 to 1.5 pounds per acre, or 0.28 to 0.55 ounces per 1,000 square feet. To prevent weeds in Kentucky bluegrass, apply 0.5 to 1.5 pounds per acre, or 0.185 to 0.55 ounces per 1,000 square feet. To prevent weeds in container, field-grown, and landscape ornamentals, apply 1 to 2.3 pounds per acre, or 0.37 to 0.83 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Fill your sprayer with 1/4 of the required amount of water. Then add your measured amount of Prodiamine 65 WDG. Agitate the mixture until the product is fully dispersed, then add the remaining amount of water. For larger applications that require a spray rig, you need at least 20 gallons of water. For small applications, like when applying over a residential lawn, we recommend you use at least 1 gallon of water. Taller or denser turfgrass will require a greater amount of water to get the active ingredient down into the soil, so you may need to use at least 2 gallons per 1,000 square feet to achieve good coverage and soil penetration. Once the solution is fully mixed, you can add a marking dye to help reduce overlap. Apply all of your solution over the treatment area. Use a low-pressure fan or cone spray setting for even coverage. Once applied, allow the product to dry completely before people or pets re-enter the treatment area. Prodiamine 65 WDG will provide residual control for pre-emergent weeds for up to 6 months. Prodiamine 65 WDG can be applied to established turfgrass, lawns, sod nurseries, container, field-grown, and landscape ornamentals, conifer and hardwood seedling nurseries, rights-of-way for roads and railways, and facilities such as tank farms, pumping stations, and parking and storage areas. For the best results, apply Prodiamine 65 WDG before weeds germinate during the spring and fall seasons. If weeds are already established, the product will not work. Typically, you'll want to apply 2 weeks before soil temperatures rise to 55 degrees Fahrenheit in the spring, and 2 weeks before soil temperatures cool below 70 degrees in the fall. Check the label for more information regarding the zone in which you live. Prodiamine 65 WDG is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely. To help avoid overlap as you apply the product, we recommend you use a marking dye like Vision Blue or Vision Pro Max. These products are temporary colorants used to indicate where you've already sprayed. When mixed into your spray solution, your application will leave turf a deep blue color, reminding you where you've sprayed so you know not to apply there again. Once the product has been applied and allowed to dry, avoid disturbing the herbicide barrier with cultural practices like core aeration. These practices can form holes in the chemical barrier the product has created, resulting in reduced weed control. Prodiamine 65 WDG is an effective pre-emergent herbicide that will prevent grassy and broadleaf weed growth in your lawn. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For the best weed control, you'll need to support your lawn's health with the right fertilizer, and you may also need a post-emergent herbicide to kill any weeds not on this product's label.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.